Do you remember when we are in our first session, we talked about the voiceless and voiceless sounds, and this is the short of it. It's the p sound in IPA voiceless and b sound in the voiced, right? And we also talked the t sound and that sound, and today we are going to talk about ch and j sounds. Okay, ch, it's make like that sound of it, and it's a come from ch most of the time. And in American accent, there is something really important here. When we have that sound and yet sound, it's become ch in American accent. Like for example, what's your name? What's your name? And I sent you a message. Okay. Don't you want? Okay. And this is an example as well. Last year. Together it will be last year. Okay. Because we have that sound and yeah sound together, so they make sound ch. Okay. And this is really important because sometimes I remember some students say, I gotcha. So what does this gotcha mean? Gotcha, I got you. In American accent, gonna be gotcha. Okay, because you in the end of the sentence become yeah, and T with the Y here become cha, so I got you. And then sometimes I remove the pronunciation sound I. Okay, the subject. So we say gotcha only. Okay. And as well we have, this is voiceless, and the voiced one, it's ja. This is not number 3. This is ja sound, and together they make ja sound. Okay, like jog. Okay, like jog, jacket. Okay, jog, and jacket. And in American accent as well, when we have D and yeah, they become ja. Like for example, last session, we say, where did you come from? It's a normal English. If I want to be like a native, like English native, they say, where did you come from? What did you eat yesterday? Okay. Did you sleep well last night? Okay. Did you eat well? You get it?
Yeah.
Huh? So it's gonna be gotcha, okay? Did you get it? Gotcha. Okay, so you get this point? Huh? Gotcha. Okay, do you get this point? Gotcha. Okay, this is all. Thank you.